Thank you for watching the Louisville Autoplex YouTube channel.
You're looking at a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It features a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel V8 engine with automatic transmission.
We perform a quality 125-point inspection, which means that your pre-owned vehicle will be in top condition when you drive it home. We are a Carfax Advantage dealer committed to offering Carfax reports with every used car that we sell.
This truck has 20-inch chrome wheels, Nitto Trail Grappler tires, and a Skyjacker Suspension Lift Kit. This truck has many features including satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, automatic headlights, heated and cooled front seats, premium leather interior, Bose speakers, chrome side steps, a bed liner, and much more.
Call us today at 1-888-788-7721 or visit us online at LouisvilleAutoplex.com.